Welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. It's Charles. Today, I'm here to teach you guys how to make some paleo donuts. Yes, they're absolutely delicious, and there is a beet glaze on there with a little bit of coconut nectar. My toppings, coconut shreds, cacao nibs, and raspberries. Oh my gosh, if you have a sweet tooth, this is the recipe you must try. Let's get into it. Alright, so after your donuts have cooled and they look absolutely delicious, now we're gonna top it with our yummy beet glaze that we made. Look how yummy and glossy that looks. It looks beautiful. Healthy, it's dairy-free. Alright, so we're just gonna basically drench this into our donuts. Oh, it looks so good. And if you want it to kind of harden, all you have to do is put it into the fridge for a little bit, like 10 minutes, and it'll be perfectly ready to serve. And this glaze is everything. I'm all about that glaze. Make sure you get a nice coating on there and just let it sit. I'm gonna put it on here because we're gonna let it kind of settle, and then we can top it off and plate it later. And you can have fun with your toppings. Look, these are just yummy, fun toppings. Get the kids involved. Have fun with this. Play with your food. Have some coconut on here. I'm just gonna repeat this process and go through the glaze. That was super simple. I mean, donuts are so much fun, and who doesn't love donuts, you know? I remember I grew up eating Krispy Kreme donuts. Not the healthiest, but this has nothing on Krispy Kreme donuts, and it doesn't make your teeth hurt, because I remember Krispy Kreme donuts used to make my teeth hurt because they were so sweet. But this is made with low glycemic sweetener, coconut nectar, and it is just a crowd pleaser. All right, next one on here. I'm gonna actually add some hemp seeds. I have some hemp seeds on here, some healthy omegas. That looks kind of fun. You can also use cranberries, goji berries. Just have fun with it. Play around with your toppings, you guys. I'm always about talking about playing with your food. This is the time to do it. All right, repeat the process, do a little bit more. This couldn't be easier, and I love that it's baked, so you can really get the kids involved because it doesn't require any frying. And also, if you guys want the full recipe, make sure you guys check out Chen TV and hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to see more recipes, do let me know what kind of recipes you guys want to see, and I will make them for you. All right, this one I'm gonna top off with a little bit of cacao nibs. Cacao nibs adds a nice crunch and texture. This is gonna bring a bite-sized mouthful. Let's do one more. And then I'm gonna give it a taste test. That glaze is to die for. Beet glaze. Did you know that beets are really good for athletes? They're really good for endurance and stamina, good for creating more oxygen to your blood, which is awesome. So I love this idea of adding freeze-dried raspberries on there because freeze-dried raspberries has a really nice texture and it looks absolutely delicious, and it has a nice tartness as well. So the combination of sweetness from the chocolate, cacao, the beet glaze, and then you get a little bit of tartness and crunchiness. I think it's a perfect combination. This is probably one of my favorites. You can have fun with other ones. They have blueberry ones, they have banana. You just gotta crush them up. And it has a nice texture. This looks very eye-pleasing. And you know, we all eat with our eyes, so make sure your food is eye-catching. So there it is. I'm gonna plate these babies. You can let them cool in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then they're perfectly ready. Here is our final product. I'm gonna give it a taste test. I'm gonna try my favorite one right here. This one is the raspberry glaze. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go, going in for the bite. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. The sweetness coming from the cacao, not too sweet. A little bit of sea salt bringing out that nice saltiness. I love a combination of salty and sweet, and that crunch on the top. Oh my gosh. You guys need to leave because I'm gonna finish this right now. Bye, you guys. See you guys soon. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Peace.